95016 Sandpiper Loop. Every day is a day to remember living in this luxury-laden townhome. 3 stories of grand rooms detailed with deep crown molding, gleaming wood floors, plush carpeting, and easy clean tile. Private elevator whisks you away in grandeur and ease. This beautiful home is offered fully furnished with central vac, fireplace, stainless steel kitchen appliances, and plantation shutters. Ground floor offers an au-pair suite. Rooftop terrace garden admires 360-degree view of ocean and golf course. It's the place to be when you've arrived.